we're gonna build a plate with pads in it. So let's try and use multi-pad. The sketch, and what I like to do is just give it a value for one of them and preview it, see what it looks like. What happened? One, and preview that. Okay, so let's see what happens when I fill in number 2 at a half. Oh, so number 2 was the inside one. So what's number 3? Can't hardly tell what's what. It's really quite the challenge anymore compared to what it was on V5. I'm gonna just type in a value and see which way this goes. 1/4 inch. Okay. I want to make this one 3/4 inch, and I'll make this one a 1/2 inch. No, I want this one to be a 1/2 inch, and this one to be a 1/4 inch. What? Let's see, what do I have here? Oh, okay, I got this all backwards. So number 4 I want to be 1. Let's try a 1/4 inch here, see what it looks like. Let's make this one a 1/2 inch. It's always a wild guess because all the limits are sitting on top of each other. You can hardly tell what's what. I still have something wrong here. Let's make this one a 1/2 inch. Oh, that should have been right. Make this a 1/4 inch. Trying to see. Oh, with all the green lines, it's hard for me to see what I've done where. That one, number 1 should be a 1/2 inch. Number 3 should be a 1/4 inch, I believe. Ay. Select OK. Alright, so I've got a. I'll try and shade that. See if we can get a better look on that. Got a little bit of pocketing going on. Now I want to put a counterbore hole in here. And I'll select this edge and this edge and that face. And we want to do a counterbore hole. And I'm just going to do a flat bottom. I'm just going to accept the default values, and I'll move this in at a 1/2 inch on either side. I'm just trying to make this a easier demo. Oh, you know what? I better not stick with this. I won't know what cutter to use. Let's go 1/2 inch. And 1/4 inch deep, and then a 1/4 inch hole. Oh, sorry, the main hole is all the way through at 1/4 inch, and I will go up to last. Is that what I want to do? Nah, let's just go depth. And we'll go 1/4 inch deep. No, we'll go 1/2 inch deep. And then the counter bore will be 1/4 inch deep and a 1/2 inch counter bore. Oh, what happened here? Let's make that at 0.5. Oh, you know what? I set this up so I could just go 1 and 1. Oops. Select OK. Alright, so I got a counter bore hole in there. Let's take that hole and pattern that. So I like to pick the top of the face. Well, that's ironic. Oh, select the reference element, pick the top of the face. That's one direction. 2 places. Let's go 5 and reverse the direction. It's not big enough. I'll just increase that, hopefully a notch to 6. Oh, you sucker. 6. That looks about right. So we'll go to second distance. 2 of them. 10, I don't know. 1 too far, looks like. 9. Alright, so I got a shape with pockets and some counter bore holes and a pad sticking up in the middle. Alright, so got to get that part set up, build that part, and then we're going to go try and NC it.